then handcuffed Hogan Flanagan.
Hey, I'm an AG.
She says, "Oh!"
No!
and trying to keep the police cruiser door open with her feet.
Well, tonight we're going through newly obtained body-worn camera footage of the arrest of a Special Assistant Attorney General.
A Rhode Island Assistant Attorney General and her friend are going viral for a late-night restaurant meltdown. It's ugly.
Midnight in Newport, Rhode Island. Police respond to a disturbance. But what they uncover shocks everyone. The woman they're arresting, a Special Assistant Attorney General, and her words will ignite a firestorm online.
Lawyer, so she knows.
Well, that's lawyer stuff, so that's not true. So we gotta go.
No, it is. That's law.
I'm an AG. I'm an AG.
Good for you. We're going. Let's go. We're leaving.
Please don't
We're leaving.
Please don't put your hands on us.
Can you get your children out of here? Like, I don't know why.
I'm sorry, what?
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Come on, we're wasting our time.
There are two full-grown women and mothers. All right. Hey.
Don't do
Hey.
I'm an AG. I'm an AG.
Officers arrive outside a restaurant to handle what should be a routine disturbance. But instead of calming down, 35-year-old Devin Hogan Flanagan argues with police, insisting she should be treated differently. Within seconds, the situation shifts from routine to explosive. As she's restrained, Flanagan announces, "I'm an AG." Her title, Assistant Attorney General, was supposed to hold weight, but the officers refuse to back off. Instead, they proceed with the arrest, cameras still rolling.
What's wrong with you? What are you probable cause to detain me for?
You're being detained because you're not leaving.
Because I'm what? You have
Can you relax? Sir, she's not doing anything wrong.
AG.
She's not leaving.
I'm an AG.
Let's go.
Buddy,
You're not, she's not being arrested. Let's go.
I'm not being arrested. You're putting me in cuffs. I'm not being arrested.
Do you have any weapons on you?
No. I'm an AG.
Her badge is in the car. You want to go get a badge?
Let me tell you something. You're
Buddy,
arrested.
get the hell out of here. Buddy, just seriously.
You're arresting an AG. Let me tell you something.
Are you under arrest right now? No.
You're putting me in handcuffs and you're Mirandizing. You're not Mirandizing me.
Her next move shocks even seasoned officers. She insists the body cams be shut off, claiming citizens can demand it under law.
I ask you to turn the body cam off.
I don't want to deal with this. Let's
Okay.
go.
No.
I understand you don't want to deal with it, but the
let's
protocol
go.
is,
Wait,
and your
can
protocol is
you
if I ask you to turn off the body cam, you have to turn it off, and that's your protocol.
Lawyer, so she knows.
Well, that's lawyer stuff, so that's not true. So we gotta go.
No, it is. That's law.
I'm an AG.
But Rhode Island's statute doesn't apply here. The officers refuse, the cameras stay on, and that decision will be the key to exposing everything. Frustrated, Flanagan is placed in the squad car, and then the line that made this arrest go viral worldwide: "You're gonna regret this." A single sentence, millions of replays, a prosecutor turned internet spectacle. But she wasn't alone. Her friend, Veronica Hannon, also clashed with officers, resisting arrest. The scene devolves into shouting, tension, and total chaos outside the restaurant. What began as one disturbance spiraled into 2 arrests, both women refusing to cooperate. Within hours, headlines spread. Rhode Island Attorney General Peter Nerona called Flanagan's conduct insulting and inexcusable. She was placed on unpaid leave, facing disciplinary action.
Relax.
Buddy, you're gonna regret this.
Yeah.
You're gonna regret it. I'm an AG. No, take your hands off me.
We will get the
Take your
license.
hands off me.
We will get the license.
She's getting detained.
No.
No.
Get out of here. Get back right now. Get back.
Detained. No, I'm freaking. No.
Get back. Your cuffs. Yep.
I'm right here. It's okay.
All right, just go from the car.
No, I'm right here. I'm right here. All I'm right here. Come on, babe.
No.
For someone sworn to uphold the law, her downfall was now public. The footage spread for 5 reasons: an attorney misusing her title, the unforgettable threat, "You're gonna regret this," body cams capturing every word, visible resistance to arrest, and real consequences, suspension without pay. A prosecutor turned suspect, a badge turned liability, and a night out turned into a career-ending spectacle. In the age of body cams, no title, no job, no connection can hide the truth. A night meant to be forgotten became the viral arrest seen across the nation. And all it took was refusing to turn off the camera.
Get in the car.
No. Babe, no!
I'm right here.
No!
Just put her in.
No!
Get back, bro.
In the car. Get in the car.
Get your feet in the car.
I'm right here.
Get your feet in the car.
Get your feet in the fucking car.
Babe, I'm right here.
Get your feet in the car. Get your feet in the car. You're a grown adult. You're acting like a kid.
Babe, I'm right here. I'm right here.
No! This is so inappropriate! You're overreacting!
So, they want him to trespass. Trevor, we've got 2 detained.
Well, tonight we're going through newly obtained body-worn camera footage of the arrest of a Special Assistant Attorney General. As we've reported, Devin Flanagan was charged with trespassing after she was asked to leave a restaurant in Newport on Thursday night. Our Kate Wilkinson has gone through the video and joins us live in studio with what it reveals. Kate?
Special Assistant Attorney General Devin Flanagan asked police to turn off their body camera. And as she was put in the back of a police cruiser, she tells the officer, "You're going to regret this."
A Rhode Island Assistant Attorney General and her friend are going viral for a late-night restaurant meltdown. It's ugly. Bodycam shows Devon Flanagan being cuffed after refusing to leave.
I want you to turn your body cam off. Protocol is that you turn it off. If a citizen requests it to turn it off. Protocol is if I ask you to turn off the body cam, you have to turn it off. And that's your protocol.
She's a lawyer, so she knows.
Well, that's lawyer stuff, so that's not true.
I'm an AG. I'm an AG.
Good for you. I don't give a Let's go.
Yes, Maria.
Let's just leave.
That's how the Newport police interaction with Assistant Attorney General Devin Hogan Flanagan started Thursday night.
We'll talk over here, okay?
It was outside the Clark Cookhouse where police were called. Here's an officer talking to the host.
You guys just want him out? Do you want him trespass?
Anything we can do. Trespass, yeah. I just need
Trespass, get him out.
Yeah, please.
The conversation between police, Hogan Flanagan, and her friend Veronica Hannon only escalated.
You're trespass, so we gotta leave now. Unless you want to be in there.
We're not trespassing. You haven't notified us that we're
You
trespassing.
guys
Number
don't
one.
trust. What did
Number
I
two.
just say to you? You're trespass.
Number
Let's
one.
go.
Number one.
I don't
Number
want to
two.
arrest you guys.
You're not going to arrest us. Number two
So let's
is
leave.
that.
We gotta go.
But the
Let's
protocol
go.
is, and your protocol is if I ask you to turn off the body cam, you have to turn it off, and that's your protocol.
She's a lawyer, so she knows.
Well, that's lawyer stuff, so that's not true.
I'm an
What's she
AG.
saying?
I'm an AG.
Good for you. I don't give a Let's go. We're going. Let's go.
Excuse.
We're leaving.
Please don't.
We're leaving.
Please don't put your hands on us.
Can you get your children out of here? Like, I don't know why.
I'm sorry. What?
Officers then handcuffed Hogan Flanagan.
I'm an AG. I'm an AG.
She says almost a dozen times she's an AG.
But you're gonna regret this.
Yeah.
You're gonna regret it. I'm an AG.
Her friend didn't go quietly either,
Get your hands off me.
We will get.
even slipping out of handcuffs the first time
No!
and trying to keep the police cruiser door open with her feet.
Subscribe for more viral police moments. Comment: should prosecutors be held to a higher standard?